Hello everyone, welcome to Geekermag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix slow download speed on Windows 11. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings app, you need to switch to Network and Internet. And then on the right side, select Wi-Fi if your PC or laptop is connected to wireless internet connection. Here, select Hardware Properties. Locate DNS Server Assignment option and click on the Edit button next to it. In the Edit DNS Settings dialog, using the drop-down, change settings from automatic to manual. Now toggle on IP version 4. In the Preferred DNS, type 1.1.1.1 and then navigate to Alternate DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Basically, these are Cloudflare's DNS server. Switching to these really helps in boosting the internet speed. After that, click on the Save button. Now click on the Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right side of the taskbar. In the Quick Settings panel, click Wi-Fi to turn it off. Wait for few seconds and then turn it on. And you will definitely notice internet speed boost. In case doing this doesn't make any difference, then again click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. Remove the previous DNS servers and this time add DNS from Google. In the Preferred DNS, type 8.8.8.8 and in the Alternate DNS field, type 8.8.4.4. Click Save. Again turn off the Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds and turn it on. And check if this fixes the slow internet speed issue. Now you need to keep in mind that not all the time you will get good internet speed from either Cloudflare or Google DNS. So when DNS from one service is not performing well, try switching to other or vice versa. In case you are using Ethernet and not the Wi-Fi, then head back to Network and Internet settings and this time select Ethernet. Locate the DNS server assignment. Click Edit, switch to Manual, and just like we changed DNS for Wi-Fi, you can make changes for Ethernet connection. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.